Alright, so now we're gonna see, in this video we will see how to do the regular expression extractor. Yesterday we did JSON extractor, just like what I did tell you before. There are multiple ways we can extract the value from the response. So today we're gonna do the JSON regular expression extractor. So for that, let's run it. So once we ran, this is our response data. In this response data, we want to extract this 1, 2, 3 value. So this is the value we want to extract, and then we want to pass that value over here. Okay, but this time, instead of using JSON extractor, we will use the regular expression extractor. So I'm going to disable it. So let's put the regular expression extractor in it. Post processor regular. So regular expression extractor. Let's just keep the same name. Okay, now over here it's gonna take the expression, and over here it's gonna take the number, if the existence of first is going to be fetched, or the existence of second expression will be extracted. So if we just leave it, it is going to be by default the very first one. So if you want to put the default, we can put the default here as well. Okay, over here, let's test it out first. Regular expression extractor. So we're gonna do the quick search. Already. So just on the Google JMeter document, we can see that it's a very easy way to do it. All we have to do is just replace the value that we want to extract with this expression. So that is exactly what we're going to do here. Let's copy it, paste it, and replace this with that expression. Dot plus question mark. So now we will test it just to see if we are able to extract it. Yes, so here we can see we are able to extract. Okay, so now we are going to see if we are able to pass it in the subsequent requests. For that, let's save it and now test it again. Clear everything, rerun it. Awesome. Oh, no, we are not able to pass it here. Let's see why not. Were we even able to extract the value? Seems like we were not able to. I'm sorry, we were supposed to put the expression over here, but we didn't do it the last time. I don't know what I was thinking, but okay. Let's do it one more time. Okay. Let's go here. Copy. Paste. Over here it's going to be dot plus question mark. Now, okay, so we have put the expression here. So now we have, the next thing we have is a template. So in the template, as we can see over here, it says where I is capturing group number starts at 1. So it is capturing the group number. So when we did the capturing, or when we were testing it, when we tested it, we can see, so what exactly is in group number 0? It is the whole expression. What is at the group number 1, which is just the value. Okay, Now, so since it was group number 1, so what we have to do is we have to put $$1 Okay, now we can see what exactly is going to happen. So here we can see now we are able to extract the test, the value of the test, which is 1, 2, 3, which is being passed over here in this request. Okay, now just for one more clarification, I will let you guys know, in case if we put 0 here, okay, so in case we say take the value at index 0, so what it will do is it will post the whole expression's value. So it will post the whole expression value. Okay, so let me explain it one more time. That means if we say 0, that means it's going to take this index 0, and what is on this index 0, it is the whole value. If it is index 1, then it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that will make more sense now. Okay, now we have 0. Let's see what happens. See, over here now you can see the whole value is being passed. So it depends on what your use case is. In case if you want to extract the whole value or the whole link, or whichever one you want to extract, it depends on the extraction. You can extract with the regular expression extractor.